Welcome to PrepareGuide. We are here for your all-round preparation, and we came up with the 10th CBSE subject, and we are going to discuss about 10th CBSE syllabus, how the syllabus looks like, and how we are going to take the session on that. Okay. So this is CBSE 10th mathematics syllabus. So in the mathematics, first of all, you need concentration. Like if you are going to learn mathematics, only one thing is the most important, like concentration. If your concentration is on particular subject, that will be a perfect one. Nothing. And in the mathematics, only you need to remember BODMAS rule. If you know the BODMAS, you are able to perform each and every question. Only multiplication, division, subtraction, addition, and some modulus, okay, and brackets. If you know these things, you are able to perform any question in the proper solution. Okay. So here 10th mathematics subject having 7 units, and there are several chapters in that. So basically it's divided into 7 units. So first one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh, and there each unit consists of some marks. Like your paper is of 100 marks, and that will be comprised into 80 and 20. So this will be an 80 mark syllabus, which your theory paper is there. Okay. So the first unit is number system. Number system. In that we have real numbers. So in that we are going to learn about what are the real numbers and how real numbers, natural numbers, and in that one theorem is there that are called Euclid's theorem. We are going to learn in this rational, irrational, their proofs. So this is consists of 6 marks, individual sum. Then the second unit is the algebra, the most important unit, algebra. That is consists of your 20 marks weightage. And that in that there is 4 chapters which we are going to learn. In that first one is the polynomial. In that we are going to learn about the polynomial functions. Like polynomial will be the square, then cubical polynomial, quadratic. In this we are going to learn. And in the pair of linear equation in 2 variables. In previous year 9th standard, you have already learned about the linear equation in 1 variable, but in the 10th standard you are going to learn in the 2 variables, like 2 variables x and y, anything a, b, m, and these are the 2 variables you are going to learn in the linear equation. After that, quadratic equation comes. Quadratic equation is nothing but the power of 2. You are going to deal with the only one variable with power of 2. That's the given quadratic equation. Then arithmetic progression is there. In the arithmetic progression, you looks like some series, like any number of series. Arithmetic progression. Progression is nothing but the series, and arithmetic nothing but we are going to find in the series of n element. Like we have given some thing series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have asked to find its 100 element or 1000 element. It is easy to find when you are given the 1, 2, 3 in the series. You are able to perform like the 100 element is a 100 number and 1000 element is 1000. But when the series is 2, 4, 6, 8, and then you are asked to find the 1000 element of this series, you are in a situation like this is a little bit different. So we have some arithmetic formulas to find these kind of series with particular numbers. After that, this is consist of our 20 marks weightage. These 4 chapters, nothing but so simple chapter, and this is the 25% weightage of your marks. After that, the third unit, that's a simple unit, coordinate geometry. You have already learned in the 9th standard coordinate geometry in a quadrangle, like this is the first coordinate, second coordinate, third and fourth, plus minus plus plus something around that. In that, we are going to learn about the lines. We have already plotted the dots in the coordinate geometry in a graph, but here we are going to do some practically, like we are going to perform put some 2 points in the graph, and then we will find the distance between that. Just like I am standing here, so my point will be something like here, and one point is here, so we are going to find the distance between these two, that's in the coordinate geometry. So this is also a 6 mark weightage, little but most important this also. After that, we are going to cover the geometry section. That's our 4th unit, geometry. In geometry, there is consists of 3 chapters. That's first one, triangles. We are going to deal with the triangles, their area and their similarities. Okay. Then circle. In circle, we are going to find the tangent of the circle, chord, and how many partitions will be given over there. So, in circle also. Then construction. We are going to perform some construction in this. So, we will see more in this chapter when we are discussing about this. After that, trigonometry, the most important part in the 10th standard, or if you go study after that, it's 11th or 12th. This is the most important chapter you are going to face in 11th and 12th standard, and after that, like in engineering or any stream you are choosing. Okay. So first, in this, like introduction to trigonometry. This is consists of 3 chapters. That's nothing but 12 marks weightage. Also a good weightage in this trigonometry. So introduction to trigonometry, you are going to learn about sine theta, cos theta, and their proofs. After that, we are going to do the identities. Identities, there is 3 identities only. Once we are in this chapter, then we will discuss about what are the 3 identities, how they help to prove the trigonometric questions. Okay. So height and distance. This is nothing but our application to trigonometry. We are going to perform like real life examples we are facing. Like we are standing over here and some lamp we are looking at that. What are the angle of inclination, and from there that declination angle we are going to see. Like real life problems. How we are going to speed and distance. Each and everything will comes under application of trigonometry. You are going to deal with the real life problems with the help of solution of trigonometry. Okay. Then measuration. Measuration. In the measuration, we are going to find some areas of the circle and volume and different size of. We need to find some areas. Here only you are going to know the formula of each and every object. Then you are able to find the areas and volumes of that particular object. Nothing in that. After that, with the last unit, that's our 7th, statistics and probability. Then what is the statistics? In the statistics, nothing but the something graph. Like if you have asked, there are 7 students and their marks will be given, and you have asked to find the average of that. Nothing but mean. You have asked. Like in this, we are going to deal with 3 things: mean, mode, median. Once we are studying this chapter, we will discuss in brief. After that, probability. You have already learned in the 9th standard the basic probability. Like you have tossed the coin, there is a probability of getting the head and tail. But in the 10th standard, you are going to learn about the if the 3 coins are tossed, or the 1 dice is tossed, 1 dice is thrown, like 2 dice is thrown, there is probability. Like what is the favor of mine? Today is summer, like this is related like what is favor in that? Probability. So this is consist of our syllabus of 7 units, and individual measuration is also 10 marks, and this is 11 marks. So we are going to learn, this is the most important, this is our 25% weightage of the syllabus. Then we are going to first start with arithmetic progression. This is our first one, we are going to learn arithmetic progression, and we go in reverse order. First we will learn arithmetic progression, after quadratic, then pair of linear equation, then polynomial. First we target to complete 20 marks weightage. Nothing but 25% of your theory subject. Okay. So we end up here for the syllabus. After that, we are going to come up with the first fifth chapter. That's nothing but arithmetic progression. So yeah, ended here. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. If you subscribe my channel, then you will get the notification when we upload the arithmetic progression subject, arithmetic subtraction lecture. So stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.